Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I'm here today to unbox our spring Walmart beauty box, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with the Walmart beauty box, we do get sample size items. You actually get this box for free. You just pay your shipping and handling, which is less than $7, okay? So, if you'd like to find out more information about this, all you have to do is log on to walmart.com/beautybox, okay? So let's jump in and see what's here this month, okay? Well, the description card says beauty for all. And on the inside, of course, it gives you some information about products that could possibly be in your box because they do have several different variations, okay? And it says, hello, gorgeous. We've curated our collection of self-care finds with everyone's need in mind. From refreshing rehydration to manicure must-haves and so much more, you'll feel pampered and ready for spring. Shop these items and products at walmart.com, okay? So let's check them out and see what I received in my box. So the first item that I have is the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. And this is in the flavor Golden Cherry. Now, if you were to purchase this in a full size, it would be 6 of them in one box, and it would be $8.98. And it says get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins, okay? Now, let's see how many. There are 45 calories in each serving. So now I want to tell you, this is not the first time that I have received this in the box. I've received it before, and I will tell you that flavor was amazing as well. So definitely amazing to try. All right, next product that I have is by Monday, and this is Smooth. This is the Shampoo and Conditioner Set. And if you were to purchase the full size, it would be $6.97. And they would come in 12 fluid ounce sizes. This is a 1.69 fluid ounce on each. They are SLS free, paraben free, and cruelty free. Okay, now these items did come sealed, but I wanted to see what they smell like. Well, they have a nice, clean, maybe a fresh scent to them. Yeah, okay. So that is item number 2 and 3. Okay, but it's item number 2, and that is a pair. Okay, the next item that I have is by Find Your Happy Place. And this is a hand sanitizer. The full size would be 2 full fluid ounces, and it would be $3.97. This one is... Really? Well, it says this one is a 2 fluid ounce size. And this is the scent Under the Starlit Sky. And it says it eliminates 99.9% of germs. And the scent is actually chamomile and sandalwood. Okay, that's not bad. I never would have thought about that mix, but that's not bad. Effective at eliminating over 99% of many common harmful germs and bacteria. Okay, so that's the next one. And I am grateful that it did come in, plastic bag as well. They just want to make sure that it doesn't drip all over everything else. Okay, so the next one that I have is by the company Kiss, and this is the Press On Manicure. All right, it is 30 nails inside, and it says there is no glue needed. Now, this is actually the full size, and of course, it's $6.97. And it says align tab with the cuticle, and then just slide it into place. That's very interesting. It says clean with the enclosed prep pad, then peel it off, and then press it on, and you're good to go. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I'm really not sure how I feel about this. I'm having a flashback sitting here thinking about nail glue. Okay, anyway, so that's this particular item. Okay, so I don't know, I guess it is what it is. We'll see. 30 nails, prep pad, mini file, and a manicure stick is what is included. And it says new high-tech pure fit, super slim and super comfortable, tapered cuticle, contoured fit, and patented super hold adhesive. Okay, and that is what this particular one looks like. That's not bad. Okay, moving right along. The next one I have is by L'Oreal, and this is a sample of the Revitalift. And it says this is Derm Intensive Hyaluronic Acid Serum, a full size, which would be 1 fluid ounce, is $23.58. And it says this is definitely paraben-free, colorant, dye-free, fragrance-free, and mineral oil-free. And it is 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid. Okay. Comprehensive screening. Okay, blah, blah, blah. All right, it says potent hydration attracting molecules naturally found in skin. Enhances skin's own moisture retention for lasting hydration. Okay, so this is the one true sample product that we did receive. Okay, not bad, right? For a free box that you're only paying for shipping and handling. And we're not done. We have one more item left. And this item, okay, is by NYX. Wow. So on the description card, it says, don't see your product here? Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. Okay, so that for me is Shout Loud, and this is a satin lipstick by NYX, and it's in the shade Red Hot. Red Hot, okay. That's the shade that I have right there. I'm very excited. I don't want to open it yet because I have a few that are already open that are red. Although you can never have too many red lipsticks, okay? So, let's just see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the true sample. So we have 7 items that came in this box, 2 of which are full size, although I said this one is full size as well, which I'm gathering that means you can either get the small size or large size. I don't know. Okay, so not bad for less than $7. Okay, Okay, so the great thing about this is just like any other subscription box where you would go online and choose the items that most appeal to you. And that is what they base your samples around, okay? So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened up our Walmart Spring Beauty Box, okay? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.